Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the biggest debates in the e-commerce world, Woocommerce or Shopify. Both are powerful platforms, but the question remains, which one is the best choice for your online store? Let's begin. Okay, so let's start with WooCommerce. It is an open source e-commerce plugin for WordPress, but it is designed to make it easy for users to create and manage online stores by leveraging the flexibility and functionality of WordPress. So once you are here on the WooCommerce website, all you have to do is click on the upper right corner where you can see the create an account option. You would be forwarded with this page wherein you can simply create your account using your Google, your Apple, your J-Hub, or if you have a business or personal email, you can also do that. Once you have done that, you should be able to receive something like this. You should be able to just simply click on this button to connect your store. Wait for it to load. All right. Now, if you have the URL of your Woo store you'd like to connect, just put it here. Otherwise, just click on cancel. All right. But the thing is, one of the key features for WooCommerce is the product management. Now, you see, you have the dashboard here, which gives you the extensions and plugins, thousands of add-ons for added functionality, including marketing tools, accounting software integrations, and advanced reporting. All right. So you have all these under your belt. Now, there are more tabs here for you to explore. You have the payment section. The payment gateways comes with built-in options like PayPal, Stripe, and cash on delivery. If you click on the add payment method, all right, it supports a lot of third-party integrations for other payment methods, PayPal, and a lot more. Now, WooCommerce is easy and free to install and use with paid extensions available for advanced features. Again, it is part of the WordPress ecosystem. If you go to your WordPress account, you would notice that the WooCommerce is part of it on the left side panel of your dashboard. When you click on it, all right, you're familiar with WordPress. All I have to do is start up a store and start selling online. Click on the start a new store. You would be forwarded here to add an address to accept payments. All right. All I have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. You see there's like steps 1 to 4. And if you're familiar with WordPress, WooCommerce is natural choice for launching an online store. All right. Going back to our next contender, which is Shopify. It is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create and manage online stores with ease. It provides everything that needed to set up and run an online store, including hosting, design templates, payment processing, and order management. If you're interested to know about the pricing, just click on this button. You see, you can start with a basic, which is good for solo entrepreneurs. You have all these perks and benefits. If you wanted to scale up to the Shopify for small teams, that's going to be around $49. The Advanced is around $299, and the Plus for more complex businesses comes around $2,300 or $2,300 per month on a 3-year term. But I really suggest you get in touch with the sales professional and book a demo or schedule a call. But for now, you might want to click the start free trial to test the waters and gauge if Shopify is going to be the best platform for you. Now from here, all you have to do is sign up with your business or personal email. You can use your Google, your Apple, or your Facebook. And once you've done that, you should be able to receive a welcome email from Shopify. And from here, just click the Get Started button right here. You will be forwarded to the main dashboard for Shopify. One of the key features of Shopify is the ease of use. No coding or technical skills are required to set up and manage a store. All right, how? All you have to do is go to the online store and you can create your store from scratch. All right, how? All you have to do is choose from any of the popular free themes right here. You can choose anything. If you wanted to learn more about themes or wanted to explore more themes, just click on the themes right here. There's a lot of free and paid premium templates that you can use for your store. All right, you can browse all themes right here, top themes and whatnot. For example, you wanted to use this one, Nimbus. All I have to do is you can view the demo store, test the waters and responsiveness by clicking on the desktop view and the mobile view. All right. If you feel this is going to be the template that I wanted to use, just click the sign up to try if you wanted. All right. But I'm going back again to the themes because what I would do instead is I'm going to go to the online store because I have already chosen my own theme, which is going to be the Dawn. That's my current theme. There's three dots here. You can preview, rename, duplicate, download theme file, or simply customize. You have all of the tools on the left side panel of your dashboard, wherein you can add announcement bar, add a section right here. All right. You have all of these options. Matter of fact, we have covered Shopify topics here in our GPLAPS YouTube channel that you might want to check out. While at it, you might want to click on the subscribe button so you'll get notifications to our latest content. Right? So heading back to Shopify again, you can do all of these or click on exit. Now, there is a section here that says products wherein you can simply add new products for your store right here by clicking the add to product. It's very easy creating a product here because you can put in the title, description. You can upload your own media, for example, images for that specific product. You can set the pricing, use the compare at price. And from here, this is going to be the search engine listing. All right. Once you've done that, click on save. After setting up your online store, your product, you might want to go to the add apps on the left side panel of your dashboard because when you click the Shopify App Store, you can access to over 6,000 apps for added functionality, such as, for example, marketing, shipping, and accounting tools. You can sell directly on your website or maybe use your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and in person via the Shopify POS or POS. Now, our verdict is that you might want to choose Shopify if you are a beginner or prefer an all-in-one solution. If you want a quick setup with minimal maintenance and if you prioritize reliable support and scalability, Shopify is going to be the right platform for you. On the other hand, you choose Woocommerce if you want to have a complete control over your website, if you have already a technical knowledge or access to developers, or maybe if you're on a tight budget and prefer a customizable solutions. Both Woocommerce and Shopify are excellent e-commerce platforms, but again, the best choice depends on your specific needs, technical skills, budget, and business model. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.